So hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn what is a singleton class in Java and how to write it. So without wasting much more time, let's start the video here. So first of all, we are going to see what is basically a singleton class in Java. So I will give definitions here. After that we will see programmatically also. Okay, we will try to make our own singleton Java class. So first of all, let's understand what is a singleton Java class basically. Okay, so in object oriented programming, a singleton Java class is a class that can have only one object, nothing but an instance of the class. Okay, it means if you try to create multiple objects of that class, it will return same object each time. Okay, so here I have written at a time. At a time means within an execution. Okay, so yeah, after the first time if you try to instantiate the singleton class, the new variable will also point to the first instance created. So this is how we will get the same object each time. Okay, so whatever modifications we do to any variable inside the class through any instance, it affects the variable of the single instance created. Okay, and is visible if we access that variable through any variable of that class type defined. Yeah, that's it all about what is a singleton Java class basically. Okay, so next point is how to create a singleton Java class. Okay, so here is 2 points to note. So the first point is we have to make our constructor as private, not public. So we have to restrict the JVM to create an object of this class using constructor. Okay, public constructor. Yeah, one question comes in mind. If we make our constructor as private, then how will be an object of it will be created? Okay, so the second point is all about that. Write a static method that has return type object of this singleton class. Okay, this concept is used, or you can say it uses a concept called lazy initialization. Okay, so that's it all about the theoretical part. Let's move to the practical part. Okay, we will see how to create our own singleton Java class. So here we have to create another new project as always. Okay, so here you can say Java hyphen singleton. Okay, so that's it. Say finish, don't create no. Okay, so here you can take a package com.div.singleton. Okay, yeah, that's it. Create another class singleton, you can say a normal class only. Yeah, that's it. Generate the constructor of this class here, no param constructor. Okay, yeah, that's it. Delete this super call, make it as private. Okay, as we have learned in the theoretical part. So here I will take another private variable which will hold the instance of this class. Okay, private static singleton, you can say instance. Okay, just initialize with null. So here I will take another string variable private string s. Okay, so just initialize this string variable inside our constructor. S equals to hello, I am a singleton Java class or singleton class only. Okay, so that's it. You have to take another method which will return the instance of our singleton class. Okay, so you have to make it as public static singleton is the return type. You can say get instance. Okay, yeah, that's it. Here you can say if instance double equals to null, then only create an instance equals to new singleton. Okay, yeah, it's simple. Yeah, just below this return the instance which we have created. Okay, yeah, that's it all about our singleton Java class. We'll test this class in another class having main method. So you can take a class here, name it as main. Okay, test. Yeah, that's it. Generate main method here. Yeah, we will try to create an object of our singleton class using get instance method. Okay, so singleton single equals to singleton dot get instance. Okay, yeah, that's it. Just say here sys out single dot s. Okay, so yeah, we will print our string so that we will prove that our object is created. So just make it as public. Okay, not private. Yeah, that's it. Just run the application here. Yeah, here you can see the output is coming. It means our object is created and our string is initialized successfully inside our constructor of singleton class. Okay, so here you can perform business operations. Yeah, that's it. Just I have to show you what if we will try to make a object in normal manner. Okay, so here you can see the error, the constructor of singleton is not visible. Okay, so we will get error. Okay, we cannot create object using new keyword. Okay, so that's it. Here you can print this out singleton dot hash code. Okay, just take another instance variable, yeah, single2. So just run the application. Here you can see the hash code of two objects are same, so our theory is proved here. So we have created two objects and both objects having same hash code. Okay, so here you can take two more, single3, single4. Okay, so just run the application again. Here you can say four hash codes are same, it means four same objects are coming from our singleton class. Okay, for your better understanding I will take another class which will be non-singleton. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Just make the constructor are public, no need of this method. Delete this instance variable. Okay, so that's it. It's a normal class. We will try to instantiate that class here using new keyword. Okay, so here you can say new non-singleton. Okay, that's it, created successfully. Here I will print the string. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's simple. You can say to lowercase for business operations. Okay, yeah, it's working nicely. Yeah, now we will print the hash codes. We have to create four more objects of that. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, here change the name to n single. Yeah, that's it. Just run the application. Here you can see, just let me show you in the big screen. Okay, so here you can see we got four same hash code when we have created four objects of our singleton class, but here for normal classes four different hash codes are coming for four different object creation. Okay, so here is the difference between singleton Java class and normal Java class. Okay, so here you can say first difference is when for normal Java class we have used new operator for creating new object. Okay, but in singleton class we are using get instance method, which is nothing but a static method for getting the object. Okay, getting the new object. Okay, so here you can write that point only. So first point will be for normal class we use constructor, which is nothing but new keyword. Okay, so here you can say comma. For singleton Java class, singleton, we use get instance method. Okay, so in the second point you can say we got the same object for singleton each time and different objects for normal class. Okay, so here you can say normal class gives different objects each time, comma, while singleton class gives same object each time. Okay, yeah guys, we have learned what is a singleton Java class, how to create our own singleton Java class, and the difference between normal class and singleton Java class. So that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot. So thanks for watching this video guys. We will meet in another video soon.